Yeah. Okay. What the f was that? All right, great friends of the podcast. It is Friday morning, 9 June 2023. For all those of you that are not paying attention, that is one day until RADWOOD. RADWOOD is tomorrow. We're gonna be on the road before 7 a.m. tomorrow. We got a lot of work to do. Please try to pay attention. Let's get back into it. Okay, here we are in the reassembly phase. All right, so we're in the spot now where we got to start putting belts on and figuring out how brackets go, and you know, it's just the malaise.
Why do I only have 2 screws for a 4-screw fuel rail? It can be upside down and backwards.
So your front one is going to be upside down and backwards.
Yeah, that was wrong too.
Surely you don't have to take the intake off to replace the alternator.
It is a BMW. Step 1.
It's an old BMW. This is not a modern BMW.
Step 1.
That's
It's a simple car.
that's modern BMWs. That's not old BMWs.
Everything's fine. You have enough room on your foot?
Yeah, I'm good. Okay, stop there. Okay, it's seated in the intake.
All right, we're good.
Yeah, we're good.
Looking like a car again.
Man, ooh, it looks nice. Ooh, that looks nice. Ooh, that looks nice. Look at that. Because our book is a piece of all, I'm gonna beat the out of this.
This video is not sponsored by the Bentley manuals.
Yeah. Quick update here. I know it may not look like it, but we are in the home stretch. Believe it or not, this is very, very close.
Still got a few things to button up here.
Dude's car's got a few screws to
Did
get.
it show the inside?
Yeah, that's what it is. It's fine. It's fine. There's only like 13 or 14 bolts.
You can screw the seats in like 10 minutes.
Yeah, I know that.
I think there's like an O-ring or something for the thermostat
Yeah,
that goes in there.
Should be.
And then there's 1, 2, 3, 4 sensors that go in different spots, and we need to figure out which one goes where.
The anti-seize is a nice touch, but I don't think it survives exhaust temperatures. And then this goes on, this only goes on one way. Okay, yeah, it only goes on one way.
Yeah. Is that the new one, or
Yeah,
did you grab
this
one? Okay, cool. Just get the new rotor too?
Yeah.
Okay, sweet. I think some of that stuff, there's a new coil down there too, but most of that stuff looked like, I don't know if Jerome replaced it, or if
I don't think he replaced the coil, but
like the distributor and the freaking rotor looked like they were fairly new when we took them off.
click, click.
What you're thinking of.
Going back together. We're down to the last hose to go on. And we're going to start filling it with fluids. Bleed the clutch. Put the drive shaft in, bolt up the exhaust. Oh, we've got to find those frickin' gaskets. All right, I got to go find some gaskets. I'll be back. All the skills that I ever needed, I learned in kindergarten, and pouring liquids is one of them. Open, closed, open, closed, open, closed, open, closed, open, closed. Well, it took us forever to figure this out, but the reservoir for the brake fluid was on backwards on this car, causing a high spot where the line plugs into the master cylinder and it never got fluid in it. We figured it out, but it took a couple hours. I have no idea what that is. Oh, is that? I think that's a.
It's a blower.
That's a blower.
It's the AC blower.
Oh. That sucks. That's not good. And here's another multi-hour rabbit hole we went down with the starter. On this one, you can plug it in to one of two places. Here, you actually energize the starter correctly. It engages the flywheel, starts the car. Down at the bottom, it just spins the electric motor.
It's like
I'm going to show the viewer. Yeah, that's good. I'm going to show the people at home.
we got a battery.
Battery is connected.
Battery is connected.
Let's see, you've
And
got
contact.
Okay, you got a fuel gauge.
Yeah, that was doing before.
Yeah. Okay. What the f was that? But it sounded like there was a significant air leak of some sort. That's what that sounded like.
Alright.
Yep.
Contact.
What in the world do you think that is? Did we get something plugged into the wrong spot? That's kind of what that sounds like. Oh, this isn't... That's not tightened down. Throttle body's not torqued on. That was a pretty cool noise. I would call this round 3.
3?
This is round 3.
Alright, contact.
That sounds fine. Wait. Okay, let's see if this comes through in the video here. Number 1, number 6, number 3 has not done the splody thing, and it is not covered in fuel, which leads me to believe that there's something wrong with number 3 injector. That could be fun to deal with. There's an old adage that if you think it's electrical, it's usually fuel. If you think it's fuel, it's usually electrical. We went down yet another rabbit hole, and what we had here was a bad spark plug out of the box. We put one of the old spark plugs back in number 3, ran perfectly. This one had us chasing our tail for quite a while. Another couple hours that we really couldn't afford down the drain. We're getting down to the wire here, folks. Oh, you're... That's it. This thing is a manual transmission E28. So here we are with this guy. After Dubs at the lake, that is what the boot looks like. Let's make sure I have the right shaft. first. There we go. That looks like the right part. Same size. All good. I was not hearing any turbo sounds on this test drive here, and I feel something metal. It is the nut off of the end of the shaft. It's interesting, man. And I put the end nut back on it. There is a lot of back and forth play in there. That didn't sound great. This has just turned into a $3 BMW at 2000. Fucking $2,000, $2 BMW fucking 2000. I think this thing.
I don't think it's making it to Philly tomorrow.
It's not going to Philly tomorrow for sure. Oh, that is RADWOOD. I guess the BMW could go now.
There's, you know, well, we still might be down. I mean,
yeah,
we're 0 for 2 today, right now. Yeah. So,
something really bad just happened here. The giveaway is still on. We may fix this. I do have another 1.6 liter diesel engine in the shop, so it may not be a turbo anymore. But
first naturally aspirated turbo swap.
Yeah.
We
TD to NA swap.
We NA swapped it.
We may have to. Damn.